Jamaican shore fishing, guys.
Out here.
We're out here with Anthony Spearfishing and we're hunting some crabs. Eh? Yeah, you have to look good in that, Larry. Nothing on the way. Anthony just held something, guys. He just cornered a crab. Anthony just he cornered the crab, people. The hole him.
The hole him?
I got him, bro.
That time.
Open your bag. Drop this one in. And dip on anyway. Here, guys.
One that's the one.
Hunting.
So fast.
Sha! Sha, move fast, you know. You know the bush are good, you know. You know the bush are good. I know it's good too, bro, but Larry, hold the flight. You keep the flight. Hold the flight, Larry. Just hold it at the top. Don't let him climb out. Huh? You have two? Now come. Now go come through. Hold on, stay like this, Larry. Don't move. Don't come through. You have to be a maca in here. Got him.
How they camera?
Damn people. Anthony just grabbed one. Anthony, hold on. Take. Get away. Oh, get. Okay, come here. Thought you could get away from me, huh? And then you just threw the crab over for me, man.
Now my life.
Give me bag. Yo,
now my
I know
life.
people look at it.
Come pull it back.
We don't have hand to catch
Now
it.
my life, man. Tell us I'm going to have different bad this day. Believe.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, you see him over there, man. But you have to be careful and watch because
We're not over in the guy, man.
no, go over in there.
Over there.
See him there. You see him there. He might come to you. Gone on that tree. Larry, I good you fat. Larry, I good. Alright, guys. So if you're responsible for the bag, guys, you got to be close to the guy that's catching the crabs. Definitely. This is one of our fun times in Jamaica here. Alright, first time I come across bush, not you, Larry? Hey, Larry.
It's not so bad.
That's all, go left.
What can I say?
Yeah, we have to go left and go wrong. Let's say you find some over. Bomba! Look when I'm on video and catch. Eh?
A million on the sign. Let's go, bro.
Whoa. Serious, though.
Serious.
Yo, let's get out of here. Let's get with the rest of the crew because, yo.
Bag be full up, man.
Bag. Crab them are run hot round ya.
And I alone put the and climb up and down. If we have to get 4 about time while ago. I'll give bro 2 hours. What about them for you? I'll show you how far.
Here, guys. This is what we have to go to. Active.
What?
Crabbush. Sha.
Post the ammo here. Nice.
Outside, guys. Anthony. Can't go down, you know.
You jam me back on.
Yeah, man, you jump back on him, man.
May bucket.
Can't. Bad bread! Come here. See your specialty that, you know. Tell me when to take out the machete.
Wait.
The juki behind him, you know.
Take, wait. Hold this. Hold this. Let me see something. Motherfucker. I'm gonna give you everything, Jerry. I'm gonna give you everything. Every foot, everything you gonna give you. Not give you nothing. Motherfucker. Come. Everything you gonna give you. You not come.
But tap him quick, you know, man.
Yeah, but
Can he size and claw, man?
motherfucker.
Eh? We got him.
Yeah.
He wasn't getting away. That was definitely. Yeah.
You gotta hold the bag like this.
Yeah, lock it, Larry, so they can't come up. Alright, lock it tight. So don't get no room to pinch, alright? Alright?
Have to be careful, get your pinch.
Come on. Here.
Then come up on the other side of the road.
Come in.
To the seaside.
They said it's a party, I picked them up out of the grass, like, whoa, look a while. I picked them up out of the grass, yeah. Here, guys, big up yourself, guys. We ending the night tonight. We here with Dark Dive.
Outside.
Yeah, man, and we here with Anthony Spearfishing just as well. Anthony just ran to the car to put something in at the same time, but we're there, guys. Did some exciting crab hunting tonight and killed a whole bunch of crab. I got bit on my big toe by a crab, but we're not gonna laugh about that tonight. But big up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us. We are out here.
Outside.
We're fishing here, guys. We're just here cleaning these crabs up. We're about to do the cook up on these guys after we spent all night, me and Anthony and friend Shaw and Dark Dive did some hunting last night.
Yeah, man, nice crabs.
So, some mighty crabs, guys. Yeah, man, it's just when I run with the bush when we touch that.
Oh,
I don't know.
Hunting, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, man, Anthony Spearfishing there on ends there foot, you see me?
Yeah.
So, we're there, so now maybe if you can look in our background, people, yeah. We're there, so I'll get ready to do the cook up. Hopefully, we can push out tonight another adventure, you don't know.
Yeah.
But we'll try match up that one, you guys, and get it out to you guys as soon as possible. You don't know, we're set already, guys. We are out here, guys. And then you grab a bat.
You know that right, man?
Yeah, man.
You know that right, man? Wash them clean. I do still, I take a foot back at them. Then I clean on the inside and thing and pour them. Like the indoor vibe nice, you know, so quick fast. No, not so fast still. Wash them and still and get clean up. Just want to stay tuned. See them look nice. And on the other side.
Yeah, guys. So Anthony's here cleaning these crabs up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one thing about crabs, guys, I gotta tell you, you gotta make sure you cook crabs alive. They carry a thing called red tide if you should cook them dead, and you will get extremely sick from that. All right, guys. So make sure you cook all your shellfish alive, guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Alright, guys. So let me explain better what I was saying before. Alright. So what I meant by cooking shellfish alive was you have to prepare them alive. You can't prepare them dead. If not, you're gonna get sick. So this is alive. So what we basically do, we're gonna dispatch it and clean up the back and bust the back in half, crack the shells, and then we're gonna curry these bad boys tonight. So stay tuned, guys. We are out here, guys. Me and Anthony there. We're supposed to meet up with Dark Dive tonight, but unfortunately the rain kind of had us backed up, and my friends at work. My car is kind of down, guys. I had a fender bender. Let me give you guys a quick view of what's going on here, guys. Kind of damaged my vehicle, guys, so I'm out of commission for a little bit. So until then, guys, pick up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. We're here about to get our little cookings on, get some curry crab in. We have some curry crab, guys, and we also have some curry chicken tonight that we already had done. Sorry we didn't get that on video, guys, but we was getting kind of hungry. Got over here to the pot, guys. Curry chicken ready up. I'm about to get busy on that too, so stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.
fast movements now. Some more things, you know, just last it to tap it. So there, you know, some garlic and everything ready. So I chop the knife. But I will find out because I know it's going to. So that's how regular knife outside, man. Big fast choppings. I see them at the time now, some pepper on it. Think one now.
What? You are that serious now, dogs?
Pepper though.
What?
Get them at the them thing right.
No man, I can't smell that far away, I suppose.
We had to eat it. I think right now. Eat it good. So, yo, hot enough, bro. Hot enough. Right, that's still. Sometimes when I do like that, I think already. Just want to stay tuned. Watch that one.
Hey guys. So we just gotta basically break these up, guys, and get these a little bit softer than normal, so that once we cook these down in the curry, it's gonna be soft to eat. It gives you a better eating.
Yeah, no,
Less hassles. Like, who want to fight something to eat?
Yeah.
That's what's up. So, that's what's up, guys. Anthony's here just cracking these up a bit. Just helping us out once it's cooked. You know what I'm saying? It makes it easier to take the meat out the shell. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so Anthony there cut up some coconut, guys. Give the man coconut milk, sir. So you don't want it, you want the fresh thing. You see it?
I know.
So we have it put on still, so you have it out there. You understand?
Yeah. Fed them use it.
Yeah.
If anything.
Come match up the crime, guys.
But that
Big pot of heat up on them. You see it? Outside.
that's fine, man. So you serve on. All you know. Give me some kind of one thing. That was strings, you know. Know that right.
Yes. Crab time.
No, be the coconut milk, you know. Put them too. And I still go on.
Alright, guys. People's throwing the coconut milk now. See if it's happening.
One pot of coconut curry crab. One big pot. That's some season we don't know stuff. More than right. Yes, I ships here. I have to check with that salad.
Yeah, guys, this is what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Come on, have the curry crab a bubble up there now, guys. Don't know how we do it already. Come on, like that, guys. Out there, curry crab. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Crab done up there now, guys. I share out some of the chicken and food here because right now, man, well raw hungry, you know. Trust me. Come up and touch ribs. Yeah, man. Outside. Stay tuned, guys. Finished product right here.